Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with a new video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube link not showing the thumbnail on WhatsApp. So if you're having problem with the YouTube thumbnail on WhatsApp, this video is for you, so make sure to stick till the end. Now without any further ado, let's start. First of all, I will show you how you can share YouTube video on WhatsApp. Then after we will head on solving the problem. First of all, open the YouTube app and in here select the video that you want to share. Go to that video. From there you will see an share option on the interface just below that YouTube account name. Once you tap on share, a dialog box will pop up. So again, to share it on WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp and from there select any account. Once you're done selecting, so from the bottom right corner you will see an arrowhead icon. Tap on that and again tap on send. So this video has been sent to this account here. Here we can see the thumbnail of this video. If you're not able to see that thumbnail, so what you can do is there might be some kind of box on the WhatsApp or on the YouTube. Now in order to solve that issue, first of all open the settings app on your device. From here look for an option that says app and tap on apps, and in here you will be able to see all your installed apps. First of all we will head towards WhatsApp. So tap on WhatsApp. Once you land on this app info of WhatsApp app, you have to tap on storage and cache. Once you see this interface, again tap on clear cache, which will remove the temporary file linked to WhatsApp, which will help you to solve the issue. Once you're done with that, again hit one step back and again go back. Now you have to select the YouTube. Tap on YouTube and from here tap on storage and cache. Before heading towards our next step, make sure to subscribe our channel, like the video and press the notification bell icon so that you will get further updates from our channel. Now back to our video again. Once you are on this interface, all you have to do is now tap on clear cache and again all the temporary files of YouTube will get cleared, which will help you to solve the problem. Once you're done with all of these steps, you will get the solution. So this is how you can simply fix the YouTube thumbnail not showing on WhatsApp. I hope this video helped you and thanks for watching again. I will see you on next tutorial.